Zittle, because the sky is too limiting. These are the consonants B, C, D, and F, and the sounds that they make. B has one sound.
B. B. B.
B has one sound.
B.
B. B. B. B, as in bag. B, as in baby. B, as in boy. C has two sounds. K, s, k, s. C has two sounds. K, s, k, s, k, s, k, s, k, s, k, as in cat. S, as in city. Cat, city. There's a cat in the city. D has one sound. D.
You got it.
D has one sound. D. 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 D, as in dog. D, as in door. The dog is at the door. D, as in lady. Hello, lady. F has one sound. F has one sound. As in fish. As in leaf. The leaf is in the water. So are the fish. So are the fish. B, C, D, and F. B has one sound.
B. B.
C has two sounds. K, s, k, s. D has one sound. D, d. F has one sound. Let's read. B, bag. B, baby. B, boy. K, cat. S, city. D, dog. D, door. D, lady. F, fish. F, leaf. B, C, D, and F. Siddle, because the sky is too limiting. You got this.